go for a ride. Oh, maybe we can take all night. Maybe we can take all night. I know that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a Valentine's get ready with me. I'm gonna do a little talk through. So let's get started. So I already did my eyes off camera and I also prime my face, and I use Remo Lasting Finish Makeup Primer. Since it's a like simple makeup look, I'm gonna do my foundation before I do my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my ESTEE LAUDER Double Wear Foundation. And this is in Amber Honey, so I'm going to shake that up. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hands. Actually, I'm going to color correct first. I'm going to color correct using ColourPop ends, which can, you guys already know, this is my favorite. I need to get a new one as well. I'm going to blend that out with my EcoTool sponge. So now I'm going to do my foundation. Color much. Looks weird, but I'm gonna fix it. Next, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I'll be using the JACYLN Hill palette. To save some time, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then come back and do the next eye on camera. Okay, so the first shade I'm going into is, I'm gonna use my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm just gonna buff that into my crease using circular motion, and I'm building that up as I go. And I'm putting this in my outer V with my Coastal Scent brush. I'm going in with a flat brush to put to my lash line. I'm just bringing it in the center of my lash line to my outer corner, like making a cat eye effect. And I'm going in with Millennium 2 brush with the same eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna work that in to the outer V as well. Then going on back in with the Coastal Scent brush with no product added, just gonna blend out everything. And go back in with my blending brush. I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Next, I'm going to use this champagne color on my lid. I'm not bringing this all the way in my lid, just right, like a little bit more than half of my lid. And that's it, that's all there is to it. Simple makeup look. Just gonna blend that out again with the Coastal Scent brush. I'm gonna highlight, and I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Blend that out with my EcoTool sponge, and I'm gonna use the edge of the sponge to clean up this area. I'm gonna contour. I'm using Back Opal Stick Foundation in CAROB. I'm using a stippling brush to blend my contour in. I'm going over with the sponge just to ensure everything is blended nicely. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes, and I'm using my SASHA Buttercup powder. I'm going to press this into my skin with the damp sponge. Then for the usual, going in with my Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Powder. I'm going to use this all over my face. I'm gonna pat this into my skin. I'm gonna sweep the excess powder from under my eyes. I'm gonna also bronze with BUXOM bronzer. I'm going in with ANASTASIABEVERLYHILLS contour palette with this to contour my face. I'm gonna blend that out. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with BUXOM eyeliner. Not a lot, just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the same flat brush and the same dark shade that I put. And I'm not bringing this into my inner corner as much. Then I'm going with my pencil brush and this color. I'm gonna go in with this brown and go in with the same coastal scent brush. Just gonna blend. I'm gonna use the same brush with the darker color, and then I'm going to add some lashes off camera and come back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I did put some on my lower lash line, so I'm gonna stay my face with some Fix Plus. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to do red. I'm gonna use my brown lip liner first. I'm gonna go in with my red lip liner second. I'm going in with COLOURPOP matte lipstick in, I can't pronounce it, so I'm gonna put the name in the description bar. So I'm gonna go in with Laura Killer Gillet Honey to highlight. Oh, I didn't put on any blush. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Sweet Cheek palette, and I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with the gold as well. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the highlighter over my eyeshadow. That looks better. So this is a finished look. Let me just change off and then okay, so now I'm gonna do my hair. Ooh. Just gonna run the flat iron through it. This is the hair. I'm gonna insert a picture that I bleached and for my birthday in December. So I'm gonna show you it was black before and then I bleached it. So this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell button below to get notified whenever I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy today and get lots of gifts from your spouse, your boyfriend, your friend, or whoever. And yeah, take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
This mess of emotions got his body questioning. Is this feeling alright? He's studying my freckles like the constellations.